Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, man. Josh, nice to meet you, bro.
So Josh is your name. Could you tell me what's in here, man?
4 NEP Audio T-Series Neos. They're 18s, D4s, 4-inch 8-layer coils. Wow. On a V2 Audio Riot 16K. Okay. I'm running a Yinlong Lithiums, and I stay around 14.8 to 14.
Okay. This is a cool motor. I've never seen something like that before.
Yeah, these are Neos, and everybody's known Neo for getting hot.
Yeah.
This is right on the magnet. Look at that.
That's not bad.
126, 130.
Yeah, that's not bad. Wow.
Like coils.
Right
around 212.
Yeah, I've seen over 340. That's not bad. Yeah.
They're saying that my coils should be good between 400 and 500
All right.
Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Appreciate the demo, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you. So what's the tuning on this?
Right now, I have not metered this.
Okay. I see you've added some wood to shrink it.
Yeah, well, it wasn't done, and they kind of rushed me up here.
Yeah.
But it was tuned really high. Without these on, it was at like 54.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
So we choked them down, and I've got it down into the 30s. So somewhere between 31 and 37.
Okay.
Which is where we were just playing at.
Yeah.
Between 31 and 52. But
Where's your amplifier at? Can I see it?
man, it's kind of blocked off all our stuff.
It is. If it's random. Oh, sorry.
It's hard to see.
Yes.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, man.
I see it.
Way back there.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, go ahead.
We had to have some room. I just like to see everything, man. Appreciate you showing me. So you're on Team Hertzum?
Yeah, Team Hertzum and Team NEP.
All right. I'm gonna go look at the back. Oh, no, hurry. some power on them.
Wow.
This is a cool motor. I've never seen something like that before.
Yeah, these are Neos, and everybody's known Neo for getting hot.
Yeah.
This is right on the magnet. Look at that.
That's not bad.
126, 130.
Yeah, that's not bad. Wow.
Like coils,
That's
right around
210.
212.
Yeah, I've seen over 340. That's
Yeah.
not bad. Yeah.
They're saying that my coils should be good between 400 and 500
All right.
Fahrenheit.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.